What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Put my hat. Put on my hat. We are at a form of support over here. This is a tricky one. This is a tricky one, guys. Tricky one. Tricky one. Tricky one. We got a wick here at the 16-hour. Okay. So this means that we can get the 4-hour to come up here. There's a 16-hour resistance zone. Okay. Four-hour can be going up here. That base now what? what? You called this out. I called it out. Called it out. This is what I called out. This too, though. That was my. I thought it was going to go up here and then go down, but it ended up going here. Yeah. Pretty smart cat. How can I? Technically, you can do this kind of risky though. Too risky. Going for sales. What happens? What I've noticed, it goes like this. Here's the first structure it broke. It breaks a structure, makes a new high, right? And then after that, it makes another high, right? This will, damn it. This is the left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Okay. Once the structure is broken, that's what tends to happen, guys. I may actually take this trade up. I back tested the shit out of this, but it's risky because look at that. Oh, oh. Got divergence right there too. Yeah, this is going down, this is going up. Potential reversal price. Oh, turn it up. It shows. It's pretty good mix. So maybe get to sell in here. Maybe get to sell in here, baby. This is risky. Easily growing my trading account together. Growing my trading account together. Easily growing my trading account together. I'm easily growing my trading account together. Growing my trading account together. Growing my trading account together. Easily growing my trading account together. Growing my trading account together. I'm excited to push my excited to push my excited to push my I'm excited to push my create viral I'm using create viral value create viral value create viral value viral value viral value I'm using creating viral and valuable content daily. Hey, let's put should and access daily. Let's put should and access daily. Let's put should and access daily. Hey, let's put should and then access daily. Hey, let's put should and access daily. Let's put should and access daily. Let's put should and access daily. Hey, let's put should and access daily. Hey, let's put should and access daily. Easy for my trading account. Easily run 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 my trading account. visualization time.
Oh, like the beat.
Got Johnny in the house. Johnny in the house.
What's up, brother?
Johnny in the house. He's got a blouse. No, I'm just kidding. What's up, bro?
What's up, man? Morning, bro.
Great morning, bro. How you doing, bro?
Good, man. Good.
I'm just getting my visualizations part done right now. We got the, we got a 6. I'll go over my strategy right now, but here, let me show you.
Okay.
Kind of got going on. So I'll go into more. I'm just gonna finish my shit. I'm good. Got a wick right here, 16 hour wick. We got 4 hour bars. Here's the 16 hour resistance. We got the 4 hour bars. I'm expecting it to hit this resistance and continue down and fill the wick, or to come back up here, make a double top, and go back down. On the 4 hours. Now on the 1 hour, we got a 1 hour resistance. It's clear right here. So we got sales, double top sales, double. We also got another one right here. As if you go on the 3 minute, as you can see here, we broke. Remember I told you last time we broke the trend line here?
Yeah.
The loop. So next thing here we got going on, remember break of the trend line or the channel, right, which is this is an impulse correction. Correction's a channel. They already broke. So here's the left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Pick the head and shoulders. That's what we got right here. Waiting.
Yeah, true that.
But I use the higher time frames to dictate, the overall trend.
Right.
And we got the VWAP here. You got divergence going up, going down. This is a kind of shorter term trade. It's risky because you got the 1 hour bars going into pretty strong up. You got 24 there as well. It's a risky trade.
Yeah, it's a risky trade, yeah.
Yeah, it's risky to go against that. It's overall going on the right trend, but there's a lot of momentum behind it. But the New York Stock Exchange opens at 9:30, so in about 50 minutes, in about 50 minutes, we're going to get the open to the New York Stock Exchange. But at 8 o'clock, which is 50 minutes ago, that's when the U.S. bond market opens. The bond market. So maybe the those old white guys that are trading the bond market or whatever.
Yeah.
Guys are open. So we have traders, and if you look to the left right here, we did have a resistance right here.
Yeah. Yeah.
You also have some wicks, this wick right here, that tapped right here, and also has it's a good form of resistance. Sorry, support. Here was a previous resistance, so we have sell positions from here to here. This would be the stop loss all the way at the top here. We just gotta see the next shoulder form.
Right.
Yeah, once you see the next shoulder form, and we have support right there, like that.
Right. Right. It does look kind of. Well, right there, it looks like it's a little divergence, a little bearish. Yeah.
There's divergence right there. Okay, so we're gonna let it react here. We're gonna let it react to this zone. I'm just gonna finish this visualization thing real quick.
Yeah, for sure, bro.
Done. All right, let's go. All right, so there we go. We got it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna look at price action to be our main language, and then we'll look for market cipher to give us the secondary signs. But
Yeah, true that.
price action number one though. Where I was getting a lot of my losses, bro, was when I was using more. Me personally, I was using the stock market cipher a little bit more for confirmation. Well, for the majority of my analysis, instead of price action.
Instead of price action.
Yeah. So when I would look at market cipher first to scan it to see where I'm at,
Right.
I wouldn't get the right story. I wouldn't get the proper story.
The proper narrative.
Yeah, the proper narrative. That's right, because just something that I wrote down in my notes. That's when I realized that I need to go on this route.
Yeah.
Which is good, bro. I think these obviously they're can help with leading indicators, right? Leading indicators.
Right.
But my trading strategy, bro, is going to be in and out. So a leading indicator, it's like kind of like how market what's his name does it. They hold, they tend to hold, crypto face holds.
Right.
This, he probably, this is the classic market, not there, but maybe entering right here, right? Entering right here when things are right. He would enter like after that and enter right here, but then you got that, and there you go. But I'm not holding unless it just depends on your trading strategy and where you want to go.
Yeah, true.
And we'll create one today.
Nice.
I mean, you already have one. You can do that one.
Right.
You can do that one, bro. I would say is just taking all the factors in consideration.
Of course.
As in like what does that strategy entail? When I'm in and out, it forces me to get good at price action. It forces me to
true that.
Forces me, and if I'm trading daily, that forces me to trade and execute daily.
Daily, yeah, that makes sense.
And when you're not taking trades daily, it's tough, bro. It's tough. You lose your fucking mojo.
Yeah, no, for real.
You lose your, oh, okay, there we go. It's gonna react to the EMA. We'll let it go up a little bit more. Tap the VWAP, and then I'm gonna enter a sell in here. But yeah, it's it's very tough, bro. It's very, very, like, I was losing my mojo all the time, because I wasn't going in daily, and
Yeah, yeah, makes sense.
so I'm taking all those into in consideration.
Right.
Now, if you got, like, a hefty account where you're willing to just go and just let it go in and out, and let it wait, and you can do that too. You know what I'm saying? You definitely do that. You can still make the same. You could probably, instead of making trades daily, you can make 4 to 5 trades a month, or maybe say 6 trades a month, 6 solid ones a month, and that can be the majority of your profits.
Yeah, yeah,
That can be. You're going to definitely have to put a lot more on the line, to
right,
get,
exactly.
per trade. You could do that too. It's just that, yeah. I mean, I'm just taking everything into consideration.
Yeah, no, of course, yeah. I mean, yeah,
You know what I mean? Like, and you could go that route too, bro. You can go that route too. You could definitely go 6 trades a month. You can do that. You could definitely do that. And you just have to know how much money you have to make, and how much you have to put
right,
on the line, and, like,
exactly.
like, what percentage moves, and stuff like that. Boom, boom, boom. So the
Hmm.
whole the whole business model has to be laid out in order for, because the biggest thing right now is that we have to have a business model. What's your trading business model? And
Right,
what times you're going to trade, blah blah blah. How much you're going to risk? How much? What is that? What are all the numbers? What is everything? And then
exactly.
yeah, and then that's how we could really be effective in trading, and
Yeah,
have
true that.
confidence. Have confidence that this is, like, okay, this is my income source. You
Yes, that's true, that's true.
know. So we got a little doji, and like, this is, I normally, I'm only doing this right now, bro, because it's still going to. Let's see what we got here. It's going with the trend. Wow, perfect.
Mhm.
I put a candle there, and I place on the first body candle, and we got a reversal there. So I'm still waiting for the shoulder to form. but yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's
Yeah,
the
dude.
next thing that I want to do with you and Robert, to see your guys' business model. Because a lot of the times, we give ourselves too much credit.
Right,
And like that, I think, I forgot where that was from, but the majority of the time we give ourselves too much credit, and meaning, like, meaning we think we're prepared, but we're not.
yeah, yeah,
And that should be our biggest fear always. Oh shit, we're not prepared. We're not prepared. You know what I mean? It's one
right, right.
thing you guys, like, to me, it's a lot easier, bro, because I'm here, stuck right here. Semi stuck, but I'm here. I got no distractions, bro. You know what I mean?
Yeah, no, of course. It's
I got
awesome.
Yeah. So, like, all this stuff, all these things are they're easier for me, and I just hope it creates inspiration for you guys. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, definitely, dude.
Yeah, because we always have to be aware of, like, what I want. And am I really doing what it takes to get there?
Yeah,
That was my biggest question, bro. That's why I just kept asking myself, bro. I'm
exactly.
always beating myself up in that way to make sure that I'm on it. And then when I'm on it, when I know that I'm on it, I feel fucking,
Hmm.
bro. I'm like, oh my God, I'm glad I beat myself up, because if not, we're just, like I said, we give ourselves too much credit.
Yeah, true
Literally,
that.
you know? Yeah.
Yeah,
That means I have to give up a couple of things. You know what I'm saying? Like, for me, that means I had to give up, like, fucking my niche and my content's gonna be more for trading and other stuff like personal development, when a lot of it
Right.
was more like, I was saying, maybe I can choose entertainment. I can do entertainment too. But I was
Yeah,
like,
true.
I was like, what? If I'm not doing what it takes to do the entertainment part, which I wasn't, well then let me crank it up over here. I'm not
Yeah.
gonna I'm still gonna do the entertainment and when I'm not doing the shit that's gonna entertain.
Right. Makes sense.
So that's when I realized I'm all right, man, fuck it. I'm gonna switch it up and put more content on what I originally knew I should have been doing. My niche.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, sir. Volume still hasn't kicked in. I got my one click ready to enter my position.
Yes.
But yeah. So what are you gonna decide to what strategy are you gonna decide to do? What's gonna be your business model? Do you want to go?
Well, I was thinking maybe like my trading strategy, or
Yeah. Strategy will be just the business model. Like, what's your business model? Do you want to go? Your trading strategy.
well, I mean, just looking at the what I'm doing now, just put on
Okay.
a smaller time frame, and obviously open to your strategy as well, and kind of have a mixture of both.
Yeah, like what I would do, bro, is like I would say probably best to just stick to one. You
Yeah,
know what I mean? Yeah, I'm keeping it real because like I'm
yeah,
using
true.
one strategy. Like I have multiple ones. There's multiple ones there, bro. There's multiple ones there, but
Hmm.
they're the same thing. Like these wick fills, I'm doing wick. I'm doing what Roger's doing, but I'm using. He uses zones. I'm using market cipher, and I'm also
Uh-huh.
using trend lines to identify the breaks for the
Hmm.
zones and to identify
Right.
like and I have it on there. Like I'm doing the same shit. I copied his numbers. I copied his numbers, bro. I copied his shit. Like I copied his percentages, his how much percentage he's gonna do with his goal. I copied that, and I copied the strategy too.
Oh, I see.
But we just okay, look at bro. We have to realize like okay, how many opportunities? Like how many opportunities? Okay, so when I rather say instead of strategy, bro, I rather say business model because the business model tells you this, like boom, boom, boom. I have to make 20.
Right.
I have to make 100 sales calls. I have to talk 3 decision makers. I have to pitch all 3 decision makers. Boom, and I get a sale. You know what I'm saying?
Right. Exactly.
That's so yeah. So say so the one that you're doing, then we have to see it laid out. I have to see it. I want to see you lay it out. You know what I mean? And then see that okay, here this is what how many trades I'm
Mm.
gonna and boom.
Yeah.
Because yeah,
Yeah. No, I get you.
boom. All right, so. And the good thing, and so the video that I watched yesterday to help me out with everything was the one. I think we've seen it before, but yeah, goes over everything. What day you're gonna, the days you're gonna trade, what sessions you are. So 8 o'clock, so now we have to wait till 9:30, right? So 9:30 is when the big, volume comes in,
Right.
and that's when you enter trades during that time. Then that's when you can, basically have no drawdown, or your trades can
Yeah.
go out like that.
Exactly.
If you did your technical analysis right, and everything is right, when you execute your trade, a lot of the times the volume just 10 to 15 minutes, if not 5 minutes, and your trade's done.
Yeah. That's true.
So that's one thing I learned. And he was talking about how oh,
Oh,
should have just gone in earlier. Should have gone in a little bit earlier because okay. So I still haven't entered. That was a missed opportunity for me.
Yeah. So you were kind of hoping it was going to go, or thinking it was going to go up, huh?
Yeah, retest a little bit more.
Retest. It kind of did.
Yeah, retested like right here.
Yeah.
Now, the way that it most likely what it will happen is it'll go right here, and then it could go down here.
Mm-hmm.
I've seen that happen with XRP many times before as well. But I could have placed like this, you know, how much? The $10,000 amount would have gave me 67, 15,000. Would have gave me $100 right here. Around
Damn.
$100 move, got in and out. That would have been my first trade, and then I could have waited till another 30 minutes to
30 minutes, yeah.
enter my second trade, and then I'm done for the day. I mean, I'm done for the New York session. So I have 2
For the
trades.
next session, yeah.
I would have made $150 to $200, $300, and then
Nice.
and then I wait for one, and then I wait for the Asian session, and I do one trade. So
Mm-hmm.
maybe $400, you know, assuming, or I could have been down, whatever. But my business model is going to make anywhere potentially up to $500 a day.
It's nice, nice.
And that's the thing I don't like about other people, bro, in general, or just like they tell you how to trade, but they don't give you the business model.
Yeah, so true.
What's your business model? You know,
Mm-hmm. Exactly.
that's what's important, not the trades. Because then all of a sudden you know how to trade, but then it's like, okay, well, what do I do? You don't understand the business model. You don't understand that there's certain times where you're supposed to take those trades. You know,
Exactly.
but actually, I mean, in a way, that's kind of it's just the different strategy. Because if you're a swing trader, then yeah, I mean, you're going to enter when you see the signs, and
Yeah.
you're going to be holding, you know, throughout those times. But I don't know. I just it just depends on the person and your trading strategy. I'm me personally, bro. I'm not patient. Not really. I mean, I am. I have it in me. I have all that shit, but I don't. I'd rather not. I'd rather just do it like this.
Yeah, no, it makes sense.
Not $500. My bad. 500 XRP.
Oh, that's pretty nice.
Yeah, because everything shows up on my ads XRP, the asset.
Right. That's right.
Yeah. As you can see, this wick fill right here. These wick fills were filled right here. And there's that one right there. So I'm just trying to make sense of why, so that way next time that I see this, I can go to the left and see, hey, where's there other wick fills, you know?
Mm-hmm. Is that maybe a Fibonacci level right there? Could be.
It could be. You know what? Yeah, it could be. I'm not gonna use those as much anymore. The fibs, I am still, but I just been getting better confirmation this way.
Okay.
But it could be, you know, the thing is, okay, like the reason why, bro, is because like fibs is because like sometimes I don't know what if I'm placing it on this side, what am I supposed to be placing it over here, what if I'm supposed to be placing it here. So I'm just gonna look at price action and wicks and zones, and a lot of the times it ends up being, you know, it ends up being fib levels too.
Yeah, no, for
A lot of the
sure.
times it ends up being fib levels, you know, it's the majority of the time. So I use them too, don't get me wrong. Let's see, let's pull up a fib level from the top. See, yeah, 318 from here.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's get some more context. And I normally don't trade like this, bro. Like this is, I'm normally gonna be on here 30 minutes. I'm doing how he's doing it. But technically I should, yeah, based off this, I should be entering because you hit resistance, you got one red candle. Once you hit resistance and you get a red candle, you enter after that. That's the strategy. So technically I should be entering right now. But I think it's gonna form the right shoulder.
Right.
And then I'm gonna be going in there. And then what I'll do is I'll go on here, but just so you know, I should be entering. I should enter after this. So
After that.
9 o'clock, right when 9 o'clock hit and I saw this red candle,
Uh-huh.
that was my signal to enter for my strategy. I should have been looking at that.
Oh, I see. On the 30-minute?
Yep. More stronger zones. But I mean, Market Cipher is giving me all the signs too, you know?
Yeah.
Market Cipher is giving me all the signs that this is gonna happen. But I'm going to use those as my secondary, my first price action. First, I'm gonna get my beliefs from that. Because then, I personally was overlooking price action when I would use Market Cipher too much. And that would get me to like fucking drawdowns and stuff like that, or not drawdowns, but like it would make me enter too soon, or
Soon, yeah.
like it would, it just, I didn't like it. Enter a limit order sell. 6. Okay. The New York people, when they come in, they can easily just raise price up like crazy.
Yeah, they can actually.
Can raise it up to this level, which is a 16-hour resistance. No, this is a 16 hours. This is 1 hour resistance. This is a smaller time frame, so I have to take that into consideration.
Yeah, true that. I'm gonna switch over to my iPad so I can use my laptop
Yeah, bro.
on Zoom.
Yes, sir. True. Yeah, those New York motherfuckers can raise this price back up. This can be a retest. It can go back down, retest it, and then bring it back up here. They can raise it back all the way up here too.
Yeah, true that.
I still have that 6654 sell order.
Okay, cool. So you put a solar limit order.
Yeah. I believe price is still gonna go down here. To tap lower levels before continuing up. And into the golden pocket too.
Yeah.
Assuming they're gonna raise the price up. They can easily just shut it back down again.
All right. Yeah, that's true.
They can do that too, but we are coming off a pretty powerful, down move. A strong wicks. Got a green dot forming on there. Overall, the market is looking like it's still going to go down. The crypto market, if you look right here, remember I showed you that pattern that was an XRP and it broke.
Yeah.
So there was going to be it was more likely not going down. It's happening. It's probably going to go down to this level right here. So still bearish on crypto in general. Nothing appears. Oh, what? I just entered market, so
Okay. Yes. Second.
All right, so we're back. Yeah, let's share the ETH chart too. So, the Ethereum chart, guys. So ETH, that basically these are the main levels I'm looking at in the range. Right now, this is important support because we have a golden pocket, we have a daily, a naked weekly point of control, naked daily point of control, simple prints being filled, and a naked session point of control. And you can see that we are finding support right here. And then basically, Ethereum extremely, this is a range, obviously, with a clear high and a clear low. Right now, I would say the juiciest resistance that we do have is we're going to get a move up and then pocket point of control combo. I'm going to go ahead and
Nice.
they're all the trades that we have been looking at for the past few weeks are also in here. Trades that are also in here. You know, like all the trade setups that we've been going over for the past few weeks are all there. So they are all there. So here it's about to open in 2 minutes. Indecision. After that. I mean, we do see some bullish CBDs from the volume is pretty low, right? Pretty dang low, especially when you compare it to what happened over here. In fact, let's take a look at what happened over here. Basically, we can see that we had options opening up the candle here. And open interest coming down. Because a lot of longs are getting stopped out. That's why it's so important when you're looking at short, because just looking at open interest, okay, it's just long being stopped out, not actually shorts opening. But if we take a look at shorts, we can see it. Okay, there are longs, a lot of longs that are stopped out, but there's also a lot of new shorts opening up here. Okay, here's the potential now for the trap. Here, we can see that now, after all these people are shorting down here, the CBD lower. And
There we go.
more people
There we go.
Nice.
and
Yes. Come on, bitch. Give me what I want.
higher low again.
Give me what I want. Give me down. Give me down. 66592. 6592. 659.
Okay, so we have a lot of shorts.
Come on. There we go.
Nice.
There we go.
Pick up.
Let the rest run. Close 80%.
Nice.
So, bro, it's 110 XRP, baby.
Sweet, bro. Sweet.
Oh, that's amazing. All right. See how everything played out exactly, bro?
Yeah,
Right
exactly.
shoulder,
bro.
right shoulder, bam.
Yeah, yeah.
Sir. I'm actually gonna change that take profit.
So because we have so many shorts here, pocket.
All right, there we go. It hit my entry, my stop loss
Okay.
at entry.
Nice, nice.
All right. Oh yeah, what the fuck was this? I want to lick some girl's ass now. All right, I got one more bullet to launch off today. but I can't trade right now.
Shorts, shorts right here. Technically trap. Right here. And also,
Oh, I think they're gonna turn it around.
It looks like, yeah.
Oh. They're turning it around. Damn, bro. Can't believe I got out at the right time.
You did, bro.
Oh. That's just scary. Oh, there we go.
Wow, bro.
Yeah.
Positive delta candle right now. A lot of volume.
Yep, wick to wick. Hit this
Wow.
wick. We tested that wick. Oh, they're doing it. New York, New York. Oh, damn. Okay, it's hitting 1 hour resistance now. Let's see what they're gonna do. It's probably gonna blast right through that shit, bro. And I'll go bring us up to the 4%. Can they do a 4% move? Maybe. No, that's not high.
We're coming right into our resistance zone, guys. Right
Okay, this is no longer. This is blown out. That's no longer resistance.
Look at that, guys. Literally right in the body area. Probably flat profit there.
Yeah. This feels great, man. Goddamn.
That was good.
You get right. Yes, sir. Yeah, they fucking hit all the stop losses above here. The people sold.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's why I had mine. See what we got now. It broke that trend line, so now we have a new narrative going for me. Let's go on with 5 minutes. See how that's looking like. Hurry up, bitch. Oh. Oh, it means respecting the shit out of that 1 hour resistance.
Yeah, it is.
Bang, bang. Huh. This could be a fake out too.
It could be a fake out. That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, it could be a fake out too. 5 minute closed above that trend line. Am I filling that wick? Yep, filling in that wick. Damn, risky ass buy. But I mean,
Yeah.
I could put the stop loss right beneath that, but still in a selling environment. Let's see. I got one more. What was that? That's a buy.
Obviously, the gut area look is a great place to take profit if long here because the bus to be on the trap shorts. That's 1.3%. And then lock in profits. I usually lock in profits after 0.5%. That's what I do. All right. I hope we speak up more, guys. I hope we do. I think that the 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame, you see the bullish divergence. However, this other area low, will be shattered. Just kidding, right? But let's actually, while we have this open before we go over here, why don't we move up to here? That is actually super interesting. Just be aware right now that we have. Wow, look at this. So if we do get a move down, we could put in a double bottom at that golden pocket. So now we've got some bearish. We've got some bearish CBD right here on the 1 minute bearish CBD right now. You can see we had a lot of longs coming in right here. Up, but we still have that lower time. So could be actually, yeah, you can see it. Right?
Oh, double top. You got a double top.
We've got bear still on the 12 minute, we've got bear still on the CBD, we've got now bear still on the 6 minute, we've got bear still on the 1 minute.
Enter the sell. Yes, that's our new sell. Let's go. Let's go.
Stuff now. probably. So take a look at these now. Oh, actually, this guy, he just built a row single principal right in front. Take a look at a sessions chart. Back here. These single yesterday. That's where we are now rejecting from. So interesting. Both ETH and Bitcoin hit into key areas of resistance, and they're now getting a rejection for key areas of resistance. Yeah, so this definitely bearish to me. Okay, so let's take a look at these now. Yeah, look at that, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. So basically, not very much has changed. So range, and so multiple levels, pretty much everything is the same. We hope to be acting in an area of resistance. And then we have all these things. We do not have a weekly level here, and we hope is daily levels. Confluence right there. So let's see if we can actually but we don't really have any daily levels either. We have these levels that we've been watching now for quite some time. As far as the macro volume goes, we still came back into the old value area, support resistance split, rejected off of the value area high. It was, next juicy area if we lose these lows would be the point of control, where also we have that beautiful gold pocket down there. Right. So macro, the juicy swing long would be the $1,800. And then of course we can look down for the $1,500 to take out here. That we're looking at. First of all, we do still have a potential one here. This area where we have the macro bull target from the low to high at around the area. Confirmation that we're looking for here. So last time, and then zero swing on the one is going to be from the gold pocket point of control. These are all the chart that, and of course, the second one is going to be running from the yearly value area low plus a weekly level around 50 confirmation buy. We'll also do the report. And then obviously going back up to the trend. We take a look. We have a right there. Right there. Yeah, also guys, for this potential
Volume's going to come in like at 10 o'clock.
so this would be a nice area.
Volume should bring us back down, guys.
Locally, right now. And they got here on the market that would be 4 hours. So take work. Blues here. Dancing right on the line. This guy's yeah, so for me, we come down basically locally.
Range forming here.
Here level right here coming back into the range. If we do come back into the range, first we're going to be area low, which is also a daily level and point by this. We have the point of control, both pockets, with that.
Tested this, so we should be going down now. Let's go.
Yeah, it should be going down.
We got 2 minutes left on this. I can post another one on there.
For sure, for sure.
No, I'll send this to you email. I sent you the one we did yesterday too.
Yeah, no, I got that for sure.
Just so everyone knows, I would definitely not ever trade right here. At the reclaim for a scout. Short right now. I would long or